For too long, our shipbuilding enterprise has been slowed by red tape, supply chain fragility, and a shrinking workforce. We let efficiency become an excuse for fragility and complexity become an excuse for delay. That era is ending. Under President Trump's leadership and his One Big Beautiful Bill and his executive order on restoring America's maritime dominance, he armed us with the authorities, resources, and urgency to modernize the fleet, expand our shipyards, rebuild the skilled workforce, deepen our magazines, and harden the infrastructure that wins war at sea. Today, the Department of the Navy and Palantir Technologies are launching ShipOS, the most ambitious integration of artificial intelligence into naval construction, maintenance, and repair in history. We're not just building ships faster, we're rebuilding American maritime industrial capacity for the AI age. We're leveraging proven technology. We're moving at the speed of the threat in real time, not the speed of bureaucracy. President Trump has been unequivocal. Rebuild the industrial base. This is exactly that, executed with private sector speed and accountability. And this is about ensuring that when the world looks to the sea, it sees an American flag.